To understand our brain's relationship to foods, we first need to understand our history. During our ancestors' time, thousands of years ago, food was hard to come by, and often calories were scarce, so we learnt to seek out foods that were high in sugars and high in fats. These foods gave us a pleasure response, releasing feel-good chemicals in the brain that helped shape our food choices. Fast forward to today, and we still seek out those foods that give us that pleasure boost. But those highs now come from fast foods, confectionery, and soft drinks. Instead of being wired to rely on foods in their natural state, as our ancestors did, we have become wired to rely on heavily processed manufactured foods. Studies have shown that foods found in nature have the same chemical reaction in the brain as our favourite treat foods, and of course, they're better for us. The hard wiring of the brain is in fact soft wiring that can be retrained. The best way to think of your brain is to consider how a muscle responds to training. Repeatedly applying correct choices will see you retrain your brain over time and consequently beat your addiction to those processed foods. If you follow these simple steps, you will succeed. Number 1. Eat big to small throughout the day and eat regularly to prevent hunger creeping in. Set reminders on your phone every 3 hours to eat, because if you don't, you will only find yourself reaching for the cheese, wine, or packet of chips when you're ravenous in the afternoon. Number 2. Find naturally occurring foods that you love that are high in sugar and high in fat, and surround yourself with them. Every time you feel the urge to eat something sugary or fatty coming on, reach for nature first. Number 3. Each time you get a sugar craving, try taking just a taste. By allowing yourself just a few bites, you get maximum enjoyment for minimal damage. Research has proven this. The first bite of any treat food yields the most pleasure. Number 4. Don't go cold turkey. Research has proven this doesn't work long term, and the cravings for your favourite foods will only come back with a vengeance. Number 5. Consider whether you are hungry or just bored. Reach for a glass of water or herbal tea and remove yourself from technology. If you are still feeling hungry, reach for nature first. And number 6. Buy single-serve packages of your favourite treats. These could be chocolate, ice cream, biscuits, or chips, whatever your favourite treats may be. Keep them out of sight so that they're not in front of you every time you open the fridge or cupboard. It takes 66 days to break a habit and form a new one, so your addiction won't go away overnight. But by repeatedly applying these positive choices, you will succeed. For more information, visit intervalweightloss.com.au.